The Morning Brew
The Morning Brew
with DJ Tommy G.
with DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
And welcome to the Morning Brew Show, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Hey, isang A muna, mag-A muna kayo dyan. Hey! welcome back people. Monday ulit. Ayan, we're back. So, second hour already of this radio show. Pero for those who just tune in, welcome. Your favorite Monday jam, your start your week right radio program. This is the Morning Brew Show. Okay? May pasok ha. Walang announcement na cancel ang classes. Even though umulan ngayon, pero kaninang umaga hindi naman eh. No? Ngayon na lang medyo parang ewan ko, sinabik lang yata tayo ng konti sa araw. Balik na naman sa ulan. But yeah, stay safe, stay dry. Okay? Stay dry and stay safe, everybody. Okay? Check the time. It's now 11:29 in the morning. Still morning. Yeah. And the time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Check out the Tap to Win e-raffle promo. Get the chance to win a brand new iPhone 15. Alright, this is up until September 15 only. Malapit na ha. September 9 ngayon, so hanggang September 15 na lang. Now is your chance to win a brand new iPhone 15 from August 23 to September 15 yung promo actually. Okay, so for every 500 purchase entitles you to one raffle coupon, electronic raffle coupon that is. All right, plus you can earn extra points if you use your Royal Privilege card and if you purchase the participating products, okay, sponsor products for this promo, okay? The grand prize is a brand new iPhone 15. Wow, mas mahal pa sa kidney mo. Oh, dati makakabili ka pag binenta mo yung kidney mo. Pero ngayon hindi na dahil mas mahal pa to sa kidney. Mas mahal pa yung singil. Well, depende siguro kung magkano mo mabibenta. But we don't advocate that. Ha? I'm just kidding. Oh, nagpapatawa lang ako. Pero based on reality. So iPhone 15, yan, grand prize. Grabe, social na grand prize, ha? And two winners. Second prize, two winners of Samsung Galaxy A55. Third prize, 9 winners of Samsung Galaxy ulit. A05. Wow. All right. So check it out. Now is your chance to win a brand new iPhone 15. Visit Royal Duty Free. 2 stores are participating in this, of course. All right. Visit their social media pages, the official website as well, www.royalsubic.com, where the catalog is always posted. All right. So there you have it. The latest promo. Tap to win iPhone at Royal Duty Free. And time for me to give you today's holidays and observances. Speaking of September 9. Uy, 9-9 ngayon ano? Wow. So merong 9-9 sale here and there and everywhere. Pero pasimuno niyan si Shopee, you know. Well, matagal nang meron yan. Kaya lang si Shopee made it big. And then everybody followed suit. All right? So 9-9. Here are the 9-9 holidays and observances for you. Being brought to you this time by Wawas Junior, Subic Bay Freeport Branch, stall number 18, one-stop shop building. Ayan. Malapit lang sa Subic Gym tsaka sa Remy Field, kung saan nandoon yung mabait at masipag at maganda at ano pa ba, naubusan ako ng pambola eh. Mabait, masipag, maganda na si Ate B Arellano. Waiting to take your orders, alright? Subic Bay Freeport Branch. Okay? Kung gusto nyo, tawag na kayo early para i-prepare nyo na. Call or text early, tapos pipick upin nyo or pwede rin pa-deliver. Ayan. 0927-895-9714. Okay? And of course, they have their branch in Dinalupihan, Bataan also. The Wawas Dinalupihan Branch, Lincoln Heights Subdivision. 0927-950-8775. Yan, kung di kayo makadrop by. Pero kung nandiyan kayo sa Dinalupihan, they're at the Lincoln Heights Subdivision. Okay? And kung hindi man, kung nasa Dinalupihan na rin lang kayo, might as well check the other diners here ng kaibigan natin na pinopromote natin. Ma, I'm Hungry in Dinalupihan, Bataan, Taco Bataan, and Ka-Filipina. Okay? Just look them up on Facebook to get you more details. Okay? All right, so on with today's holidays and observances now. And the famous birthday segment, starting up with today's holidays and observances. What's going on for September 9 is Care Bears. Show Your Care Day. Wow, matagal na ang Care Bears, no? Bata pa ako eh. Care Bears na eh. How old am I now? Tanda-tanda ko na. May Care Bears pa hanggang ngayon. They're gonna outlive me. Nakakatuwa yung Care Bears eh. Magandang show naman yan for kids. Laging may magandang moral lesson especially about caring. Kaya nga Care Bears eh, di ba? Alright? Yan daw yung official cartoon ng mga caregivers. Care Bears. And today is also Box Wine Day. Alright? I don't know, siguro para sa mga pasosyalan ng mga box wine. Pagandahan. Yeah, nagagandahan ng mga box wine, di ba? Oo, pagandahan sila. May nakita pa nga ako palette style. Ayan. Meron pa parang etched in gold. Yan, yung mga mamahali na yon, okay? And next up we have Buy a Priest a Beer Day. Ayan. Take them for a beer. Take them out. Take them on a nightclub. And next up we have Day to Protect Education from Attack. All right? Education is, one of the mostest importantest thing in the world. So it should be, well protected from attack. Ang education, syempre naman. Okay? And what else? Boss and Employees Exchange Day. All right? So, next up we have Wonderful Weirdos Day! Just like me! Mga pare, mga weirdo, it's our day today. Ayan. Kasi nga naman, normal is boring. Di ba? Sabi nga. Ayan. Kaya, International Weirdos Day. Happy International Day to you, weirdos. Okay? And that's about it. Today's holidays and observances, just a few. And now, for all of you birthday celebrants, September 9, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, the 4th President of the Philippines from 1944 to 1946, Sergio Osmeña. He was also a lawyer, right? He was born September 9, 1878. Matagal na siyempre. Ayan, dahil he was the 4th, pang-apat na presidente ng Pilipinas. Next up we have Christine Hermosa, September 9, 1983. Latest showbiz chika, nakimarites ako, no? They had their pang-ilan ba? 5th or 6th kid na with Oyo Boy, si Christine Hermosa. Oo, kayang-kaya naman eh. Ako, 2 anak ko, pero parang ang hirap-hirap eh, no? Pero sila, they had their 6th. I think that was just yesterday or the other day, right? Okay, and next up we have JM De Guzman. All right, he is an actor and a singer. All right, magaling kumanta tapos actor pa. Yan. Alam mo, you know what they say about guys and women na rin that are guwapo, syempre actor yan, guwapo eh. Or actress, maganda. Tapos they can sing, di ba? They can dance. They call them the total package. Ayan. Ito si JM De Guzman. I seen him dance in one of the TV shows. TV actor and singer JM De Guzman, September 9, 1988. I was an MC in one of his local shows here at the Harbor Point Mall. Dati nag-show sila along with JM De Guzman with Tony Labrusca. There you go. Ayan, I was the MC there. Ayan. It was one great show. There was a lot of people who came to see me. No, they came to see JM tsaka si Tony Labrusca. Pangatlo lang ako. They came to see me third. And Francesca Farr, singer and model and actor also. Francesca Farr, September 9, 1992. Alright? Dami. Actually, dami nagbe-birthday ngayon. DJ Afrojack, September 9, 1987. Adam Sandler, the very funny Adam Sandler, turns 58 today. And jazz singer, Michael Bublé. Alright, ito pa, total package din, Guwapo, tapos singer, galing kumanta. And he's Canadian. Or as the Pinoy DH in Canada says, Canada. Canadian. September 9, 1975, si paring Michael Bublé. Alright. And TV actress Ronnie Hawk. You're probably familiar with her for in the TV show Stuck in the Middle. Alright. And the Netflix series On My Block. There you go. Ayan. September 9, 1999. And next up we have Colonel Sanders, aka Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yeah, siya yung nasa logo, yung naka bow tie na nasa logo ng KFC. That's him. He started, you guys know, he was already really, really old when he started KFC. He tried early in life na magkaroon ng business na magtagumpay. Hindi nagtatagumpay. But he hit the jackpot. I think he was already 60 plus, 65 something when he hit the jackpot nung ginawa niya yung he started selling his fried chicken. Nilalako-lako lang niya dati, Yeah, he's selling it door to door. And then it started. KFC, there you go. 'Di ba? The secret herbs and spices na hanggang ngayon ay secret, syempre. Si Colonel Sanders was born September 9, 1890. Check this out. He was born 1890. He died 1980. There's sort of like a play that happened there. I don't know. And his age was 90. And his birthday is September 9, 99. Now that's a lot of nines there. Weird. In a way, a bit stunning. Yeah. Colonel Sanders, happy birthday to you. My son, my bunso, his very first favorite fried chicken up to now, KFC. And it's I kind of find it weird when you ask kids what's their favorite chicken, di ba? Usually, alam mo na, the Happy Bee and the Big MC, di ba? MCD. Yun. Usually, yun ang pinipili ng mga bata. Pag sinabi na, what's your favorite fried chicken? Yeah, the Bee and the Golden Ark. Pero my son, his favorite fried chicken from the very beginning, he was just, I don't know, since he started chewing, KFC. And he likes the gravy. And among the gravies of all fried chickens, medyo spicy, peppery ang KFC. But he loves it. Maybe my son is just like me, also a weirdo. Hugh Grant, Cary Hugh Grant, September 9, 1960. He turned 64 today. All right, Michelle Williams, movie actress. She was in the TV series Dawson's Creek, Blue Valentine, I'm Not There, Manchester by the Sea, and dami ha. Her portrayal of Marilyn Monroe, all right? That's the title, Marilyn Monroe. My Week with Marilyn, the 2011 film. Ayan, okay? That's the title of the movie, My Week with Marilyn. And she portrayed Marilyn Monroe there. She was born September 9, 1980, Michelle Williams. Next up, we have country singer Hunter Hayes, September 9, 1991. Charles Sten, who is a comedian. He's part of Whose Line Is It Anyway? What about you? That show's really funny, Parang improvised comedy yun eh. Next up, we have actor Eric Stone Street. In case you don't know, he is Cameron on the hit comedy series Modern Family. And lastly, J.R. Smith, who was in the later part of his NBA career, became erratic. I don't know why. Turns 39 today. So there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you September 9 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
And hey, your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. You text me up 0910-6909-501. And here's a couple of birthday celebrants today. The artists, those who were featured in the famous birthday segment. Okay, starting up with Adam Sandler. And this is his song, I Wanna Grow Old With You, from the movie The Wedding Singer, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.